Hi, I'm Kevin Suskovich, your internet artist of 10 years, and I'm going to talk to you today about dripping paint on canvas. Notice here we have acrylic paint, which is usually used for art. We also have this called RIT dye. Now, when you paint with RIT dye, the advantage is it's much more drippable. It will drip like crazy on your piece. The disadvantage is it stains, so if you're going to use real runny kind of paint dye, you want to be careful not to stain important surfaces, so put paper down like I have. So we're not going to use this because it's not runny enough. So watch this. Let's go ahead and open the RIT dye. That's RIT, R-I-T-T. Now watch how we simply drip the paint on this small piece of canvas. Watch closely. You may say, what's going on? Well, watch. Drip the paint. Look at that. We get these nice lines. Now, move it the other way. Shake it a little bit. Now, we have another design going this way. Shake and bang it on the surface again. Then we have more coolness. Perhaps we can do a little drip here, or actually a big drip. Shake it and bang. Shake it and bang it this way. As you can see, it's very easy to get very interesting abstract shapes. And you can have hours of fun making the shapes that you want based upon how long you shake it and the angles you shake your piece on. So the thing is, there's infinitely many possibilities when doing this kind of drip art. Try shaking it twice, try shaking it 3 times, try shaking it 50 times. Use different kinds of dyes. Use different kinds of textures of dripped paint. You drip it on the canvas and then let your creativity take these drips of paint and make it into something beautifully your own. Well, I'm Kevin Suskovich, and that's discussing the art of drip painting. Thank you.